Sabi na love is blind. Ano? Sabi din ng iba na especially ng mga pari at mga madre at lahat ng mga religious, love is like a rosary that's full of mystery. No? Sabi naman ng iba, love is sacrifice. Pero mas maganda sigurong magandang termino din yun, ano? Love is sacrifice because they always ask why. Because if you love someone, you must sacrifice everything in your life.
I know that we'll see it through. Yeah, I believe that me and you, we're doing what we're meant to. Tell me that you love me forever. You know I'll never leave you. Say we're always gonna be together. Oh, no one's gonna love you like I.
Hindi ko alam pa paano sisimulan. Meron palang ganito. Giselle. Pinapangako ko ngayong araw na to. Mamahalin kita habang buhay. Aalagaan. At pinapangako ko na hindi ka maboboring sa pagsasamahan natin. Ako ang magsisilbing wakin ng buhay mo. At ako rin ang magiging Samuel ng buhay mo na ipaglalaban hanggang kamatayan. At ipinapangako ko na hindi ako magiging Adrian ng buhay mo. Kaya please lang, wag mo nang panoorin. Ayun, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng sakripisyo, lahat ng ginawa mo, pagmamahal na ginawa mo sa akin.
Love you like I do. Oh, no one's gonna love you like I do. No one's gonna love you like I do. I do. Let's chase all our big dreams through open fields and overseas. Where you are is where I wanna be. Forever isn't too long when I'm right where I belong.
Mac, from the very first time I saw you, I already felt that you will be someone in my life. I just don't know that you will be part of my forever. I feel blessed every time we are together. Not just because pogi ka at maraming taas kilay ng mga babaeng naiinggit, but most especially dahil napakabait mo. You are the best man I have ever known. Para kang si Papa ko. Kaya alam ko and I'm very confident na you will be a good husband to me and a great father to our future children. Thank you so much for your unconditional love. Thank you for understanding my tantrums and for making me feel loved all the time. I promise to be a good wife. I will take care of you and our family. I promise to make you happy always. I love you, baby, always and forever.